Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a super simple, easy, quick skincare routine. I get questions all the time on something more simplified like this because I feel like we're on the same level where sometimes you just don't want to walk through 10 different steps to make your skin look hydrated and glowing. So this is going to give you that without all of the fuss of going through like a million products. So I'm going to be using this 3-step process from Philosophy to give you that glowing, hydrated look and that glass skin effect on your skin. You can see I have it on right now. Philosophy is just one of those brands for me that just gives me the feels. They were one of the first brands I used for skincare back in the day when I was working at Sephora, and it has a special place in my heart. So I'm so excited when they reached out to me to work on this video together, and I was so excited that I ended up falling in love with this 3-step process. So a huge thank you to them for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this. These products you can use on their own and incorporate it into your own skincare routine, but together is when you're gonna get the best benefits, and they work together to give you that look and feel of the glass skin. So I'm gonna walk you through it step by step, but make sure you stay tuned until the end because one of you guys will be winning the Hope in a Jar water cream. I'm gonna explain all the details on how to enter at the end, so stay tuned for that. And also check out the description box for everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe and let's get started. So the first step in this routine is the Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Peeling Mousse. It's an instant glow facial. So it comes out and it's kind of like this blue, almost like a jelly sort of feel, but it's both a physical and a chemical exfoliant. So you just want to rub it in for up to a minute, and then it's going to start to kind of like ball up and roll away any impurities. It's so weird. But then when I wash it off, it just feels just extra clean. So just, what's the word? It's not like, you know how sometimes when you use something that's gonna like exfoliate your skin, you feel like almost tight afterwards? This doesn't do that. Your skin doesn't feel stripped or anything like that. The next step is the Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Renewing Dew Concentrate. So this is gonna be your serum oil kind of a step. So I just put a dropper amount of this into my hands, and then I rub it into my skin, and then I pat it in afterwards just so it really goes into the skin. This helps with texture and improves radiance on your skin. It's gonna make you look really fresh and glowing. Every time I put this on my skin, it just feels so smooth. It's one of those things that you just have to try because it really does feel like it's giving you all that hydration that you need. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I also put it on my hands because I know that's where you start aging, and it says it helps with like fine lines and wrinkles and stuff. So I'm gonna be 28, so I'm still young, but I feel like now's the time that I need to like really focus on like being attentive to those areas. So like your neck, chest, and hands. So I put it on my hands too. I don't know if like the last and final step is the Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar water cream. They just came out with this, and this is kind of just like the finisher and the grand finale of the skincare routine. You can see here it's kind of like this blue jelly material. It's a very unique texture because it kind of looks like thick and jelly-y in the jar, but then when you put it on, it kind of just disperses into a water, hence water cream. So it feels super lightweight on the skin. It has a really fresh scent to it too, which I really like. Lately, I've been so obsessed with finding products that have hyaluronic acid in it because it's really gonna give you that glow and that hydration. So this has it in it, but the hyaluronic acid is also a part of a unique hydroglow complex. So it includes that, but then it also includes Norwegian glacier water and pineapple extract. It sounds so bougie. And I feel like the smell of it, it almost smells like that Norwegian glacier water. Is that what it is? I don't know, but I feel like that's what the scent is. You can just see how it leaves my skin looking. It just looks like that glass skin. I pretty much never wear makeup like on the daily, like when I'm going to the grocery store, to the gym. The only time I'm really wearing makeup is when I'm doing like a makeup tutorial or something like that. So for me, I love that my skin can look like this while I'm just like running errands and stuff, and I still feel like I don't look like I'm, you know? But say you're going to wear makeup, it dries down. So even though you have that glow, it's not gonna be like sticky on your skin. So it's perfect for priming for makeup. It's a great base for that. And then I haven't done this yet, but there are 2 other ways that you can use this instead of just using it like as your moisturizer. The one way is you can put it in your fridge if you want it to be like extra cooling on your skin. So I would probably like to try that in the morning. I just haven't yet. And then the other way that you can use this is you can put on a very thick layer of it and let it sit for 10 minutes, sort of like a moisture mask. And then at the end of it, you can just like pat it into the skin and get that extra hydration and stuff. So I still have yet to try it that way, but I've just been using it as a moisturizer, as an end step to the 3-step process. But yeah, it really, like, especially in the morning, like, you know, when you really did, like, you really treated yourself the night before with your skincare, and then you wake up and your skin just feels like butter. That's just how my skin has been feeling, and I love the way it looks. Like, let me pull my hair back. I feel like I should have my hair back in this whole video, but it just looks so, just so glowy. It's so glowy. But yeah, that's it for this video. It's super quick and simple. I feel like I need to be talking more about more stuff because anytime I do a skincare video, I have like a million things to use, but I love to have this option, and I love the look and feel of my skin with these all together. Again, you can incorporate them separately. They're amazing on their own. I just feel like together, you're really gonna get that glass skin look, that hydrated feel, and you're gonna look just super glowy. So now to the giveaway. One of you guys will be winning one of the Hope in a Jar water creams that I used in this video. All you have to do is comment down below and I will pick a winner at random. It is a lot easier to do giveaways on Instagram just because of the way Instagram's platform is, but I'm gonna try to do it on YouTube this time. So I will pick a winner at random from the comment section this weekend, so on Saturday, and I will send out your water cream during the next week. So I hope you guys are excited. I know you're gonna love it. A huge thank you to Philosophy for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. It was such an honor to work with them on this, and just kind of like a full circle moment. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please also let me know your skincare requests down below. I'm always looking to figure out different skincare videos, but I don't know how to do more videos besides just routines, you know what I mean? So if you have any cool different ideas for how to do different skincare videos, please let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.